So you might be wondering, where do you write code and actually see the magic happen? Well, you do this in an environment that's built for coding. Now, there are a lot of platforms out there, and each one provides a unique coding environment. And the more you talk to programmers, the more you'll hear strong feelings towards one platform or another. But what's important to understand here is that all platforms will allow you to code and apply the skills you're learning in this course. The platform I'm using is called Jupyter Notebook, which is available at jupyter.org. Now, this is a powerful platform, and you'll see me using it throughout this course. So let's go ahead and set up your environment. You can open a new tab, and I'll start at Google and type in Anaconda distribution. You'll want to use the first link that shows up. So I'm on the Anaconda distribution website, and I'm going to scroll down to see the latest version that's available for me to download. At the time of recording, it's 3.7. For you, it might be a different version, and that's totally fine. Now, you want to click on download, and it should begin downloading for you. So I've already downloaded this, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my downloads folder to find the installer there. So now I'm going to double click to open up the installer. Now you're going to click through some of these dialogues. So press continue. You're going to click agree. Then click install and enter your password. Great, we're all installed here. So let's go ahead and click continue. And let's hit close. You can either keep it or move to trash. I'm going to choose to move to trash. Now you want to open Terminal, and if you're on a Mac like I am, you can do Command Space and type Terminal into Spotlight and hit Enter. And now you want to type in Jupyter Notebook. Make sure everything is lowercase and that there's a space between the two words. Like this. And you want to hit Enter. All right, they're on the homepage of your Jupyter and you're ready to get going. The first thing you want to do is click on New. This is on the upper right area of your screen. And you want to click on Python 3. This is how we create a new notebook with Python 3. And Python 3 is the latest version of Python at this point. So one of the first things you want to do is to name your notebook. And you do this by clicking on Untitled and typing in a new notebook name. I'm going to type in Practice. Once you type that in, you can click Rename. And there you go. You renamed your notebook. Now, there are a lot of buttons and menu options here, but all you need to worry about right now is this box right here. This box is called a cell, and you can type code into a cell and then run it. So I'm going to go ahead and type in a line of code, and I'm going to type print hello world. And there are two ways to run a cell. You can either click Run at the top here, or if you're on a Mac, you can hit Shift-Enter. I'm going to hit Shift-Enter, and there we go. Hello World is printed out. And if you're following along here, you just wrote your first piece of code. Now that you have Jupyter set up, your Python environment is ready and you're all set to dive into coding.